Hello everyone, this is Shumi Dash, a proud and initiator of debate at London School of English. Welcome to the world of debate, where your voice becomes your superpower. As we know, now our first semester exam is going on, but at LSE, we believe learning should never stop when it comes to build confidence and communication skills. So today, we are going to provide you a fun and simple basic guideline about how to do a debate. And here in this mission, I'm not alone. I am joined by three incredible educators, Salina Akhtar, Anika Jahan Lavanya, and Aisha Siddiqa, who will guide you through 8 easy steps of doing a debate. At first, we need to know what is debate. A debate is basically a friendly fight with words. There will be 2 teams, they will talk about a topic, one team agrees, one team disagrees. And these are the 8 steps which we need to follow to do a debate. Each team will give reasons, facts and examples to support their opinion. And obviously they need to think deeply about their side, and then they need to find out what are their affirmative points, which reason proves that their team is correct, and then this is the time to listen to the other team. And then they need to listen to other team, what the other team members say about the topic, so that they can reply. And this is called counter-attack. And it's like, I respect your opinion, but here is why I disagree. Like this. It's like answer smartly with respect. Then you need to think about your time. Don't make your speech too long. Keep it within 2 to 3 minutes. Use expression and eye contact. Then practice and write your speech. And discuss with your team member who will say first, who will say which topic. After listening what the other member says, give counterattack. Then finish your speech by using strong points and show your audience why your team is correct. Mainly show the reasons and facts strongly. So basically, in short, if I say choose, divide, think, plan, listen, reply and conclude. Now, let's dive deeper into the steps with our 3 inspiring teachers who will guide you through in detail regarding this step.
In a debate competition, first you have to choose a topic. So here you can see, choose a topic. Pick a topic that both sides can talk about. We will divide you into 2 teams. One team is called Team For and other team is called Team Against. Team For. This team support the topic or motion. Their job is to present argument in favor. They have to explain why the topic is a good idea, and they have to explain the fact, reason to prove the point. And for an example, we can take an example from here. Mobile phone use helpful for young students. Suppose this is going to be a topic of your debate. So the team For might say, phone helps us to learn new things from the internet, and so on. This is how the team For will support the topic, and they will say yes to the topic. And instead, here is the team Against. They will oppose the topic. They will present arguments against it. They have to explain why the idea is not good, and they have to give reasons, fact, to prove their sides. So, Team For will speak in favor of the topic.
Hey, so I'm here for telling you some necessary and easy steps for debating. And you would know that how to do research and gather some ideas. So first, here we can see the process should continue throughout the debate, calling speakers in the following orders. So at first, our Team For will come. One member, first affirmative. She will introduce herself and the topic. And from Team Against, there will be another one. She or he will come in first negative. And like that, second affirmative will come after that, and she or he will represent their ideas or their opinion, and Team Against second negative will come and they will show their ideas as well. And third affirmative will come after that, and third affirmative After that, third negative will come. And from that, we can understand that in a team, there will be 3 team members. Okay, so let's move on to another topic, which is to research and gather ideas. So there is the step where your team will gather some ideas for making your argument strong and support your argument. Okay, so your argument has to be persuasive. So there is really 3 necessary and easy steps for you. And first one is why do I think I am right? It means why do you think that you are right here? So whenever you come up to the stage, you have to show that why are you right? Why do you think your topic is right? Okay, so second, you have to give some examples, some stories, some factors, because you can take examples from your real life activities, from the teachers, from your school, from your news, and the resource that you can collect those information from. I just want to say the more real, specific your ideas are, the more strong your arguments will be. Remember, research is a superpower in a debate. Use it wisely. So let's move on to another topic, which is how to plan your speech. So this is really important for your debate competition. So there are really easy steps here. First, introduction. So start strong. You have to start boldly, because whenever you will start boldly, your against member will understand that, okay, they are strong enough to fight against us or talk against us. And second is main points. In this step, you have to show 2 or 3 main points, because they are really important, because on that or over that, your opposite team members will choose their counterattacks, as you know. And examples are proof that I said it earlier, that your examples has to be very persuasive and convincing to your viewers and judges. So remember, how persuasive your opinion will be, your argument will be more stronger to the judges, viewers, and to your opposite team members as well. So last but not the least is conclusion. As I said earlier, that you have to start strong and you have to present yourself powerfully, and you have to remind your audience that what are your beliefs were. Remember, speak clearly, use eye contact, and believe on your words. And I just want to say that will increase your confidence level. So do debate, shine brightly. Best of luck to my team.
In our debate, it's not enough to just present our own arguments. We also need to respond to what the other team says. And this part is called rebuttal. So how do we do it effectively? First, we need to listen carefully while the opposing team speaks. And we must take notes on each of their points. And most importantly, don't just listen. Try to understand what they are trying to prove. Next, we need to prepare ourselves for the rebuttal. That means thinking critically about their claims. Are their every points true for every single situation? Do they apply to everyone? Is there any proof? If not, that's where we need to start the response. When it our turns, we counter their arguments respectfully. For example, if they say homework improve focus, you can say that may be true for some, but many students will feel stress and lose motivation, so it doesn't work for everyone. We can ask some smart question like, as they said homework improve focus, but where is the proof? This point make their argument weaker without being rude. Then we present the opposite side with the specific points, like in Finland, primary students get no homework, yet they rank top in education globally. In short, Listen actively, spot the flaws, ask creative question, challenging question, and give strong counter examples. And most importantly, stay respectful. And that's how we will master in rebuttal. Thank you.
So here I'm back again with some suggestions regarding time management during a debate. At first, you have to stick to your time. You will be given 2 to 3 minutes, so you have to use your time very tactfully. Like you have to plan your speech. Like for introduction, you can keep 30 seconds. For main points, you can keep 1 minute. And for example and evidence, you can keep 45 seconds. And then conclusion, you can keep 45 seconds. In this way, you have to plan your speech. Then you have to practice with a timer before actual debate. And you can use bullet card for staying on a track. And then you have to leave time for counter attack when your another team member or opposite teammates will say their opinion. And then remember one thing, don't speak too fast because clarity is more important than speed. So let the debate journey begins. Remember, every voice matters. So let's stand out, speak bold and shine. Thank you.
লন্ডন স্কুল অফ ইংলিশ জীবনের জন্য শিক্ষা।